Hey, this is Sandy. Sandy's cookbook. Getting ready to do some laundry in the laundry room building where I live at. Uh, like one thing, one thing you can do to save money on doing laundry is make sure you got a full load of laundry, which I've got here. When you do laundry every time, it saves a little bit on your electrical bill and water and everything. While you're doing that, so make sure you check your filters in the dryer. Make sure you don't have anything in them. That'll save you time on drying your clothes, and it also lowers the risk of the dryer catching on fire. Catching the lid on fire. Good easy way to save money on the laundry bill is make sure your washers get a full load in it, and make sure to clean out the dryer lint. This is Sadie's Cool.